My name is Abshiro and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a really good video idea. So, today's video, I'll be trading parrot and seeing what people would trade for a parrot. So it's like, what would you trade for a parrot? And the video is called Trading Parrot to see what people would trade. So let's follow Maya and see what she trades. Wow. I hate when little kids just run away. I can't even catch them. They're like so fast. Maya, stop running. Ugh, I'm gonna have to run. And by the way, guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And tomorrow we have a big announcement, so stay tuned. She just declined my trade. By the way, I'm sleepy. So let's trade with him. What would he trade for a parrot? He would trade for the orange supercar. So I don't want a supercar right now. I'm not really trading the parrot. I'm just seeing what people would trade for a parrot. So let's see what Maya wants to trade us. I guess nothing. So Maya won't trade anything. Alright. Let's accept this trade and go for it. Okay, ultra rare, rare, another rare, and then common. That's I would just say that's kind of fair trade. I don't know, guys. Is it fair trade? Comment down below. So let's go see some people outside there trying to trade. So this girl has a bear, which is really cool, and a little pink bike there. So a lot of you guys have been asking me if you can be in my video. If you want to do a video with me, just comment down below. Miss Otter, please accept it. Did I even send her a trade? She just ran away. And if you guys didn't know it, I'm getting a neon Shiba Inu, so stay tuned. Is that a unicorn? Wait, what? Is that a unicorn? Oh, I was gonna show her that I have unicorn too, but then I guess she didn't. She declined the trade. Okay, what would you trade for a parrot? Birdie potion. No thanks. This girl is begging for a potion. She's like, potion please. Her name's Catherine. Please. She's begging that new girl. The new popular girl. I'm just kidding, guys. That's my sister. She's begging for a potion. It's like really funny. Let's hatch an egg for fun and see what we get. It's a pet egg, by the way. After 1,000 years later, the egg needs to sleep. Alright, let's see what we get. I hope it's a unicorn. I'm just checking if I'm recording. Because sometimes, guys, I think I was recording and then spend a lot of time. Oh, it's a kitty cat. That's cute. I like it, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit that thumbs up button. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love you guys so much, and bye guys.